Well, here it is, folks. I thought I'll give you a little update on the XJ650 Turbo. I worked on this bike for quite a few months last year, and I finally got it to a stage where it can be considered a nice classic. I've done so much work on this bike, it's unreal, both mechanical and aesthetics. So looks brilliant, rides fine. I finally have brakes on it, and it finally starts and runs nicely, so let's try that. I'm super proud of my work when it comes to those exhaust pipes. Engine casings looks fantastic as well. It holds the idle really nicely, just slightly over 1000 RPM, which is what you want on those. Also put a brand spanking new tyre at the front. And overall, as you can tell, it looks pretty damn slick. Alright, so let's get it started and let's go for a little spin. Starts nicely right away. As you can see, the warning light comes up every now and again. This is because the bike has a modern battery which couldn't be plugged into this battery monitor, and for that reason it flashes every now and again, but it's not a problem at all. So all the electrics work just as they should: indicators, lights, horn and the rest of it. There we go. It again wanted some lights, so the warning light came on. So broadly speaking, I don't have any complaints with this bike anymore. It finally has the brakes. I can finally change gears with no problem, because previously when I bought this, the clutch was dragging so badly I couldn't even get it into gear. Power is good for what this bike is. It's about 90 horsepower, and it actually feels like 90 horsepower bike. I got it for the MOT, which is a technical inspection. For those of you who don't know how it all works in the UK, there's no leaks from anywhere. The engine starts nicely hot and cold, and broadly speaking I could consider it a job done. But the thing that I would love the most is the power-up kit. As I mentioned in my video review a few months ago, those bikes could be easily made a lot faster, and that's by installation of the OEM Yamaha power-up kit. The problem with that is that power-up kits are pretty much unavailable now, so I don't even know where to get it. I had a little look on Yamaha's official website, and it's shown as discontinued, but I'll be looking. If this comes up for sale, I'll buy it and I'll make a video showing how to install it, and then I'm going to talk about the results. So hopefully I'm going to find one. Yeah, so this is 4th gear, about 3,500 RPM, and I'm also up the hill, and it just picks up nicely. It's pretty cool for such a little engine. Bloody brilliant. now going into the city. Another really cool thing is I rode this bike quite a lot last summer to get to work when it was still at the stage of, you know, project and work, and I was quite surprised that even in a very, very hot weather, it actually holds on to temperature quite well. This is an air-cooled motorcycle, and even in 32 degrees plus, you know, and very steady, slow city traffic, it's not overheating. It's actually, well, I couldn't see any symptoms of overheating, so that's very nice. Really cool. So here we have it, second gear up the hill, 2000 RPM, and it picks up. It's really, really surprising for a bike with carbs and such a little displacement, and with the thought in mind that all the power that this engine generates is in the higher RPM. The way it goes from 2000, it's very surprising. Okay, so let's check that out. So that's a third gear, probably 20 miles per hour, 2000 RPM, and it picks up. Seriously, it's not bad. I think I said this in my review, but if somebody asked me what's the coolest feature of this motorcycle, apart from its bizarre, antiquated technological features, I would say it's just the level of comfort it offers. It's a really, really comfortable bike. I'm 6 feet tall. I'm not exactly the smallest guy out there, and you know, I feel absolutely brilliant. I feel like I could ride this bike all day long, which is fantastic. All right, so let's go left and give it some legumes. No, it's absolutely spot on. This bike is brilliant. 90 horsepower, and it's so much fun. There we go. Let's turn it off. So engine is hot. I've been riding for at least half an hour. And let's turn it back on the button. I mean, that's pretty incredible. For a bike of that age, this is 42 years old and it runs so nicely. Okay folks, thanks for watching. Till next time.